How to change your name on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on your Snapchat. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Snapchat application from your device. Here, make sure that you are logged into a specific Snapchat account. Then tap onto your Bitmoji icon on your top left. In order to change your display name on your Snapchat, tap on Settings icon on your top right. Here under My Account, you will see Username. Tap Open it and tap on Change Username and tap on Change Username. Now it will show you that your username can only be changed once a year and your username might become eligible for reuse by someone else in the future. Tap on Continue. Here simply type in the username that you would like to have. Once done, tap on to Next and simply type in your password. Once done, tap on to Confirm. Then tap on to Continue again. And it will say that your username has been updated. Now head over to your profile and this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.